are you doing? Hey guys, welcome to our first video.
Well, technically not the first video.
Yeah, I have a different YouTube channel myself.
But I don't. I'm just. Oh.
So
Move! This is my YouTube channel now!
No, it's not!
Yes, it is!
Alright, so what we're gonna do today,
Burping challenge!
burping challenge.
No.
So basically, we have soda here.
And I don't really have that much because I got really thirsty. So, yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to try to drink. We're gonna drink soda. We have 5 seconds to drink as much soda as we can. And then we're gonna see who has the longest and loudest burp. Whoever has the longest wins.
Ready, set, go.
No.
Yeah!
Okay. That's it. I'm not really a burping dude.
I'm still burping.
He's still burping. It's my turn. Okay, since I don't burp a lot, I need to drink more.
Yeah, I definitely won.
Yeah.
So, like, you lose and I win. Like, ow.
All right. I forgot to include this. You didn't even know it. The loser has to do a dare.
A dare.
So. You're still burping. All right.
Yep, that's
What's the
my
dare?
normal
What's the dare?
I dare you to kiss the floor. Literally.
Okay. Flip the thing around. All right.
You better do it.
I'm not sweet. She washed it. See?
Okay.
Where I'm gonna kiss it?
Actually, that's. Did she use bleach?
No.
Vinegar?
That's weird. Dude,
Did you know that vinegar is poisonous? So you better kiss somewhere else. How about you kiss the tile?
It's not vinegar or bleach.
What is it?
I do drink bleach, but it's not that.
What is it? What is it? Tell
Some
me.
sort of stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna kiss it, right?
Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss.
I love you, Floor. It's gonna turn into a romantic moment.
Okay, you gotta do it. Move your hand. Move your hand away. Do it. Do it.
We're married. Like, drop.
And that's what you do with two best friends.
Thanks for watching, peeps.
And always subscribe and leave a like. If we
Dirt
get,
Brothers will be back at ya.
and if we reach 10,000 likes in a week,
We can't do that.
if we get 10,000 likes in a week, I will literally lick the floor.
No, 10,000 likes? Probably like burn down a house.
No.
We're not gonna reach 10,000 house. All right,
Who knows?
let's go for 1 like.
If we get 1 like, if we get 1 like right now, I will lick the floor.
So if we get 1 like, you'll eat this banana. And
Without peeling it.
then you'll eat the peel. And I'll eat half of it too. So
Great. No wait.
subscribe, like, follow my musically Dirt Bros. Wait, what's it?
Dirt bros.
Okay, yeah, Dirt Bros. Yeah. Bye.
Peace out, everybody.